Front gardens can be really tricky to plant up. Lots of people pave over them to park their cars. Or you might lay down some weed-suppressant membrane and stones to make it look neat and tidy and be low maintenance. I turned my front garden into a meadow. It's tiny, but I absolutely love it. And at this time of year, it's humming with pollinators. In the UK, we lost 97% of our wildflower meadows between 1900 and 1984. And so this tiny meadow represents a little bit of putting that back, replacing lost habitat. In the meadow, I've got lots of different types of grasses, which provide caterpillar food plants for various types of butterfly. I've got speckled wood and I've got skipper butterflies breeding here. I've also got lots of different types of flowering plants. I've got greater knapweed, I've got Viper's bugloss, I've got yarrow, I've got betony, I've got yellow rattle. Loads of real traditional meadow plants that all provide food, pollen and nectar for lots of different types of insects. I've got my bee hotel nearby, and a lot of the bees, a lot of the leafcutter bees and the wallcard bees that are nesting in there have a very short journey to make to get the pollen and nectar they need to lay their eggs. And that makes me really happy. This little patch of meadow started off when I bought my house as a pile of stones laid over weed suppressant membrane. So I removed all that and I sowed grass seeds, I sowed greater knapweed seeds and other wildflower seeds, and to see what would take and what would grow. Every year is different. Some years you get loads and loads of oxeye daisies, other years you get loads of greater knapweed. My yellow rattle, which is a semi-parasite of grass, which is ideally it's going to keep the grass growth suppressed, which is going to make more room for the wildflowers to grow. I've just about managed to get it established, but it's not quite thriving, so I need to sow some more seeds of that in autumn. So sow some seeds and then see what happens. In about September time, you can cut it all down, just leave it for a couple of days so that any insects, any caterpillars that are using those plants can rest and leave the plants and go and shelter in the thatch. Remove the clippings and go and compost them, and then see what happens the following year.